This started like the perfect day with my pico steps to the alarm. But I thought I can go back to sleep cause I'm a loser, so I got back on the track. And thanked for this wonderful day on this earth where I can reach my goals and make my dreams come true. It's the best day to start pico steps and create the system you want, so you solve the chaos in your. As expected, I went back to sleep and slept for another 6 hours, calling sick at work. So after a good, beauty sleep, I had something to say.
One pico steps. At least no small steps.
Yes, here is my POV thinking that I can still do my workout and make pico steps into the beautiful day. So said and done, I let my pico steps guide me to the kitchen where I hunted some pico food. Pico food: eggs, Slavic pork fatback, some peppers, some cheesy yolo easy and mustardo retardo. After a full belly contemplation, I thought to do it or not to do it, to do it or don't do it. This story won't be long. So those are my agitated pico steps that wait for the elevator so I can get in the house, so I can surely say,
Of course I failed.
But then I really made it day 0. So I had my first pico steps in CapCut and scripting and stuff. Then got hungry again and eat some gangsta pasta. And then, of course, I'm a professional procrastinator, and then many other things it had to be happen, so hocus focus. Still here editing and figuring out how to sync the script with the video, how I make captions. I said it, I will make it today and I don't have much time and other things like that. So I think the alarm is set, everything is done, so see you tomorrow.